In definition, momentum is something, the multiplication of mass and speed. Mass and speed. Okay, and unit of momentum, kg meter per second. Never forget. But momentum, the definition and realistic explanation of momentum is different. Momentum, how a moving materials is hard to protest. Suppose an elephant is coming with a walking speed. Can you protest the elephant, walking elephant? No. Why? Because the mass of elephant is huge. Whatever the walking, moving speed doesn't matter. You cannot tackle the elephant. But a cat is running with 500 meters second. You might have confidence. Hey, cat can be protested. No, not. Science is telling, doesn't matter. The cat is trivial, little animals, but science is telling, suppose this is, okay, I'm giving example of elephant. What is the weight of the elephant? Suppose 8,000 kg. And the speed of elephant, I'm giving 10 meters second. Hey, 10 meters second. So what will be that? These will be what? 8, how many 0? 1 to 40. 40, and obviously the unit will be kg meter second. Kg meter second. Okay, the experiment is telling that the mass of elephant 8 kg and speed is only 10 meters second. This elephant can damage a wall. This elephant can damage a wall. On the other hand, a cat is only 8 kg. Yes, if the cat become, what is this called? Ambitious. If a cat is luxurious minded or ambitious minded, I'm sure that the cat also can damage the wall. This is the mathematical issue, not the emotional. So if the cat become, what is the speed? Cat has to be after 1, how many 0? 40. If cat can speed up 10,000 meters second, the math is telling that the cat also able to damage the wall. Clear? When I was young, I heard a story from my grandmother that in a storm, one still some materials enter into the trees. This is possible. Why? The materials is simple, but if the materials achieve 1,000 meter speed, 1,000 meters second, the materials can enter into the trees. This is scientific. Am I not clear? So this is an elephant. The momentum of elephant. What is this? This is same. 8 after 8, 40, right? After 8, 40. Okay. So this is 80 kg. Yes, this is 80,000 kg. 80,000 kg meter second. This is called unit of momentum. So momentum, if you don't feel the situation of momentum, that will be merely a information. No. Actually, momentum is something to be felt. What is the last talk of momentum? Momentum is something, how much energy is required for protesting our materials. This is called momentum. Am I not clear? A moving elephant, hard to tackle because moving elephant has huge mass. A moving cat normally can be tackled. So what is the feelings of momentum? Momentum means how much opposing force required for protesting something. So momentum, in short, momentum is the two quantity, the mass and speed. And the unit of momentum is kg meter second. Many people don't understand physics. Why? because they just memorize. Momentum is equal to m into v. No, not at all. You have to understand the gist of momentum. Mean how much protesting power is required for tackling anything, moving elephant and moving cow. Okay, so momentum basically the multiplication of two quality, two quantity. One is what? The mass and the speed. And the unit of momentum is kg meter second.